Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by picking one canonical blog URL to feature in your Instagram bio. You cannot add multiple clickable links. Once chosen, test it on mobile because Instagram opens links in app. If your site is long or uses query strings, make a short redirect page or a dedicated landing that points to your blog to keep the link clean. Make sure the address uses HTTPS so Instagram doesn't flag it. This single URL decision determines how visitors reach your content immediately. Now you edit your Instagram profile. Go to Edit Profile and paste your canonical URL into the website field. That's the only clickable link Instagram allows. While there, craft a tight CTA in your bio that tells people what to expect, for example. Personal essays, new post weekly, read now. Once done, place one or two keywords and an emoji to draw the eye. Make sure the CTA and URL match so visitors click with clear expectations. Finish by saving your profile and immediately testing the link from your public profile. You should land on the blog or your redirect landing. If it doesn't open, check for HTTPS, broken redirects, or long query strings that Instagram might truncate. Once fixed, supplement the bio link by posting stories with the link sticker or by directing followers to the bio in captions. If Instagram caches an old link, wait a few minutes or toggle the website field to force.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.